Ordering the products you need is easy with CenterWell Pharmacy. We offer hundreds of everyday products through our over-the-counter store. Get started in a snap. Just sign in to CenterWellPharmacy.com. Don't have an account? No worries. It only takes a minute to activate. To start your order, click Shop Products. It's easy to search, browse by category, or filter items to fit your needs. When you find what you need, just add to cart. We are here to make your shopping simple. Order your over-the-counter items and prescriptions at the same time with free standard shipping. When you're ready to check out, go to your cart and complete your order. Shopping is just as easy in the CenterWell Pharmacy app, where you can shop on the go at your convenience. We'll let you know when your items ship, so you can track your order every step of the way. You've come to the right place. CenterWell Pharmacy is a one-stop shop for all your pharmacy needs. Get started today. Download the CenterWell Pharmacy mobile app or visit CenterWellPharmacy.com.